Mine has mad bacon on it.
She took all the bacon. She took all the, and you took all the cheese. Yo, she cheating, yo.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Yeah.
Hey, child, it's your girl, Give Me Red. Back in another video. Say hey, Kyla.
Hi, tribe. Hi.
Alright, so today we are doing a flatbread pizza cook-off. And the type of pizza we're going to be doing is chicken bacon ranch. Okay, don't mind my hair. I just dyed my hair today and I didn't straighten it yet. But this is how I look. So yeah, we're going to see who pizza looks the best. Already, Kyla's crust is looking better. Because it's nice and stretched out. But my crust was kind of thin and it ripped, so we'll see. Whatever. So yeah, so we got some bacon here. This was just Oscar Mayer bacon. I was ready to cook because I did not feel like cooking up no bacon and then cutting it up and then putting it on a pizza. No. So this is just the ready to cook bacon. This is the ready to eat chicken. It's Italian grilled chicken, Italian seasoning grilled chicken from Purdue. Then we went to Stop and Shop and got all of this stuff. These are 2 for $3. At Stop and Shop, I got the Chipotle Ranch dressing for a little spiciness, and then low-fat ranch dressing for me or whatever. But I'm probably gonna use both. Then we got mild cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. And I believe that's it, right?
Yeah.
All right. So we're gonna see who can make the better looking pizza, the better tasting pizza. Should we do it in a time? Want to time it?
Yeah.
I do 20 minutes. No.
15?
Let's do 5 minutes.
Okay. 5 minutes.
Yeah. Shouldn't take that long.
Got the whole block out there right now. They all so good. Oh, they got good flavor for here. Hey, what was going on letting up the light stuff?
That's hubby. Guys, say hi.
What up? What up, Tribe? That's what you call them, right?
Yeah, I'm Tribe.
Hello, peoples.
Exactly. Hello, paybos.
Hi, Troy.
Alright, so
Let's
we're
go.
going to see who can make the better pizza in 5 minutes.
I could. Let's go.
Get out. So, no, I could. You're outside.
Okay, ready?
Press. Go. Alright, we started. So I'm putting my... It's coming out. Oh, shit. I forgot to take this one off. That's a technical T. That's a technical foul. Foul on the play. Alright, let's try this again. I think I'm going to do some regular ranch, some chipotle ranch. You just doing chipotle on that one? You know that's not just for you, right?
I know. Chipotle and regular ranch.
Some cheese.
It's just coming out fast.
And then
I need the cheese.
some mozzarella. Mozzarella. You know I gotta make a song out of everything. And then let's, ooh.
Mommy doesn't know what I'm gonna do next.
Okay. Some burger. Some burger. Some chicken. We got 3 minutes left. What are you doing half and half? Or whatever. Mine's gonna taste good. And then I want some more. wrench.
You sound like Dave Chappelle.
Dave Chappelle. Okay. Some more wrench. Cause my chips.
Chicken's good.
You eating the stuff you probably using it for the pizza.
I had some couple pieces earlier.
Some more. Alright, got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Two. Alright, some more cheese. Yeah, I bought mad cheese. We still got 2 bags of cheese that I bought. I was thinking that this crust was gonna be bigger than what they were. My pizza is gonna be cheesy.
Preferably.
I don't want to roll my edges up. 1 minute. Make like a boat.
A boat.
Yeah. So all the cheesy goodness don't fall out.
How much do we have left? 45 seconds left. Mine has magic. You know.
You took all the bacon. She took all the, and you took all the cheese. Yo, she cheating though. All right, we're done. All right, so that was 5 minutes. Hers is definitely bigger. So let's see when it comes out the oven, whose look better, whose taste better. All right, but we used all of the ingredients. And we still got more cheese, so if we wanted to do this again tomorrow night, we could. Or whatever, because all we gotta do is go get more pie. More pie
Why
crust.
did you take Brandon to the bathroom?
Brandon, go to the bathroom.
Right, take him to the bathroom. Go to the bathroom. You gotta take yourself to the bathroom? Alright, guys.
I just
We'll be
realized
back. The finished product. And Raiden and RJ is gonna be judges. So this is Khilas.
I made a
Her
5.
crust looks a lot better. This is mine. Mine's look more cheesier.
Yeah. That's why I was like, oh. Kyla, you're in trouble. Mommy's is looking pretty decent.
I know, I put a lot of cheese on there.
Mommy,
I put more mozzarella in the cheddar cheese.
You need like a lot more cheddar cheese here. And you put like a little bit of everything.
Yeah, I put a little bit of I put magic.
So I'm gonna taste Khilas first.
Okay. Me too. I might need a fork because Kyla's is like everything's falling off. So I'm gonna go get a fork.
Alright, so I'm gonna taste mine first.
Yeah, Kyla's nice. Still right. Mommy, is it good? I'm gonna go get a fork.
Alright.
Mom, you want a fork too? Mommy, water almost cold.
I need a picture.
Oh, dear God, I don't feel like.
You don't need a fork there. It's good. Both of them is good. I think Khilas look better.
Kyla's. Mommy? No, I think Mommy's look better.
Look, see bacon inside the crust.
Inside the crust, actually.
You want to taste it, babe? You come in here to taste real quick?
Mommy, look so good.
Huh? The pizza. You don't got to. I like mine, I got much cheddar.
Yeah, mine got more mozzarella.
Yeah, I can taste the mozzarella and I can see it too.
Mine's is more
I like that cheese. I wish I had to put some more on that on the edge. Cause I like that look. I'm really still fall stuffed. I kind of wanted y'all to show me just like a piece of a piece.
I have bacon and stuff inside of it.
Yeah, I see.
She has bacon inside the crust.
Should have like.
It's good. I like mine better though. I like the cheddar. It's reminding me more of a chicken bacon ranch.
Daddy. I haven't tasted one yet.
Cool.
Which one will be?
No, not that. It's good. It holds up better.
Pack my lemon.
Eat the pie. Alright guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you try the recipe. It's really good. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey, don't forget me.